Welcome back to our channel where we explore the exciting world of track and field. Today we're going to dive into one of the most thrilling events, the long jump. Get ready to break it down step by step and learn the techniques that will take your jumps to new lengths. Let's get started. So first of all, we're going to talk about the approach and the takeoff. So the approach is where it all begins. It's crucial to build up speed and momentum before taking off. Start by finding your preferred starting point. Remember, consistency is key here. As you sprint towards the takeoff board, focus on maintaining a relaxed yet powerful stride. Drive your knees up, swing your arms back and forth, and keep your eyes fixed on the point of takeoff. Now the takeoff. As you reach the board, focus on planting your takeoff foot slightly behind it. Explode off the foot, driving your arms forward and extending your body into the air. This is where your power comes into play. So now we're going to have a look at the flight phase. So once you are airborne, it's time to control your body and optimize your flight distance. Keep your body in a horizontal position, parallel to the ground. Imagine yourself flying through the air like a superhero. So to achieve maximum distance, focus on extending your legs forwards whilst keeping your body aligned. Keep your arms extended to maintain balance and stability. So next, the landing. So as you approach the sandpit, it's time to prepare for a safe and efficient landing. Aim to extend your legs slightly before touchdown, allowing for a smooth transition from flight to landing. Land with your feet flat and together, absorbing the impact with your legs and rolling through the landing to maintain that momentum. Great job so far. So you've just completed the breakdown of that first long jump. By mastering the approach, takeoff, flight phase and landing, you're well on your way to becoming a long jump superstar. But remember, practice makes perfect. Keep refining your technique, stay dedicated, never stop reaching for new distances. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting track and field content and content around physical education in general, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos. Keep jumping, and we'll see you all in the next one.